Hi. I want to tell you the importance of checking your blood sugar. Remember, blood sugar can take you to the grave. It can cause a lot of havoc in your body system. You can be amputated. You can lose your sexual power. You can, become blind because of high glucose in the blood. And so it is very, very important, at least once in a month, to walk to a place where they check blood sugar levels, and you'll be told where you are. If it's normal, you'll be declared normal. If it's rising, you'll be declared rising. If you're eligible for a diagnosis, you'll be told you are eligible for diagnosis. Please make this service your lifestyle. It's very, very important to be checking your blood sugar. And here tomorrow, we will check blood sugar. You're just walking, you're busy shopping and doing all the business. You're just walking the one shop, especially Pinacomo, Manda Hill, and Eastburn. You walk in, you find me there, and you check your sugar. It's important to check your sugar levels.